Well, that was a lovely walk in the park. I feel so refreshed.
Me too, Thomas. The sunshine was beautiful. I feel ready for a relaxing Saturday afternoon.
Before we go up to the apartment, should we check the mail?
Oh, good idea. I almost forgot. I haven't checked it since Thursday.
Me neither. Maybe there will be something interesting. It's always a little bit exciting, isn't it? A little surprise.
It is. You never know what you are going to find. Most days it is just boring things, but sometimes you get something nice.
I'll get the key. Our mailbox is number 7.
I am actually hoping for a specific letter today. I hope it has arrived.
Really? What are you expecting? A secret message from a spy?
Ha, no, nothing that exciting. I will tell you if it is there.
Okay, the suspense is killing me. Here is the key. Let's see what the postman has brought us.
The moment of truth. Is it empty or is it full of treasures?
It looks quite full today. Let me just pull everything out. There. That is a very big stack of mail.
Let's go and sit on that little bench over there in the lobby so we can sort through it properly.
A great idea. It's more comfortable than standing here.
Okay, let's see what we have. You can be the official mail sorter.
It would be my honor. Okay, let's start with this big pile of colorful leaflets and brochures.
Ah, yes, the junk mail.
Exactly. This one is an advertisement for the local pizza delivery service. 50% off your second pizza.
That is a little bit tempting, but we should probably put it directly into the recycling bin.
I agree. And this one is a catalog from a furniture store and a flyer for a new gym that has opened.
This is the mail that we don't ask for, but we get anyway.
Yes, it's called junk mail, or sometimes unsolicited mail, because we did not solicit it or ask for it.
I understand why some people find it annoying. It's a waste of paper.
It is, but sometimes it can be useful. I once found a voucher for a free coffee in one of these leaflets.
That is a rare treasure, but most of it is just for the recycling.
So, that's the junk mail pile. That's about half of our mail for today.
That is a bit sad, isn't it? That half the mail is just rubbish.
It is. But let's move on to the more interesting things, the real mail. Okay, next in our stack of mail, we have some more official-looking letters.
They look like bills. They always have those little plastic windows that show our address.
That's how you know it's something serious. Let's see. Yes, this one is from the electricity company.
The electricity bill. A very important, but not very exciting piece of mail.
No, but it is very important that we open it and pay it on time.
Of course, we don't want them to turn off our lights. Let's put that in the important pile. We can open it later.
And what is this one? It looks very similar. Yes, it is from our internet and television provider.
The internet bill. Another very important one. We definitely want to keep our Wi-Fi working.
I cannot imagine life without Wi-Fi. It would be a disaster.
So that also goes in the important pile. Bills are the opposite of junk mail. They are the mail that you have to pay attention to.
Very true. I will make sure we pay both of those online this evening. It's very easy to do.
Thank you. You are much more organized with the bills than I am.
I just don't like getting the reminder letters. They're always written in very scary red ink.
I know. It is much better to be organized and pay them straight away.
So, that's our little pile of responsibilities. What's next in the treasure chest?
Ooh, what's that one? The one in the plastic wrapper.
Let me see. It's addressed to you. It looks like a magazine.
It is! My monthly gardening magazine has arrived. Hooray!
I didn't know you had a magazine subscription.
I do. It is my little monthly treat to myself. I love this magazine. It's called Beautiful Balconies.
That is a very specific title for a magazine.
It is. It's perfect for people like me who live in an apartment in the city but still love to garden.
So it gives you tips for growing flowers and vegetables in small spaces.
Exactly. It has so many beautiful pictures for inspiration, and it tells you what you should be planting each month.
That's a lovely hobby to have. And your balcony always looks so beautiful.
Thank you. This magazine is my secret weapon.
I love the feeling of getting a magazine in the post. It's so much nicer than just reading articles online.
I agree completely. I love the feeling of the glossy paper, and I can take it with me to a cafe and read it with a cup of coffee.
And there are no pop-up advertisements or distracting notifications.
No, it's a very calm and relaxing reading experience. What does this month's issue have on the cover?
It says, "The best herbs to grow in autumn." Ooh, that is perfect for you. I was just thinking I should plant some new things.
So, you are going to be busy on your balcony tomorrow.
I am. I can't wait to read this. This is definitely my favorite piece of mail so far.
Okay, let's see what else we have. This is a nice one. It's a postcard.
A postcard. I love getting postcards. Who is it from?
Let me look at the signature. It's from our friend, Martin.
From Martin. Of course. He is on holiday this week, isn't he?
He is. And where do you think he is? Look at the picture on the front.
It's a picture of the Colosseum in Rome. He is in Italy.
He is. What a beautiful photo. The sky is so blue. I am very jealous.
Me too. He is so lucky. What does he say on the back? Can you read his handwriting?
Just about. His handwriting is terrible, but I think I can read it.
Go on then. Read it out loud.
It says, "Dear Thomas and Clara, greetings from sunny Rome. I am having the most amazing time. The city is so beautiful and the food is incredible."
Of course he mentions the food first. That is so typical of Martin.
He says, "I have eaten my body weight in pasta and gelato. Yesterday I visited this amazing place, the Colosseum. It was breathtaking."
It really is an incredible place to visit.
He says, "The weather is perfect. Thinking of you both. I hope the weather is nice in Vienna too. See you when I get back next week. Best wishes, Martin."
That is such a lovely message. It makes me so happy to know he is having a good time.
Me too. It is so thoughtful of him to send us a postcard.
It is. It's so much nicer than just seeing his pictures on Instagram. A postcard is a real, physical object that has traveled all the way from another country to our mailbox.
It is a little piece of his adventure. We should put this on the fridge.
Definitely. It will make us smile every time we see it.
So we have had junk mail, bills, a magazine, and a postcard. What else is in that pile?
There are 2 more letters here. This one looks very formal. It's addressed to me.
It's in a very smart-looking envelope. Who is it from? Can you see a logo?
I can't see a logo on the outside. It's just a plain white envelope. My name and address are typed, not handwritten.
It looks like a business letter. It could be from the bank or from an insurance company.
Or it could be a speeding ticket. I am always a bit nervous when I get a formal, unknown letter.
Don't be nervous. It is probably nothing bad. Why don't you open it now and find out?
Okay, the suspense is too much. I am going to open it. I'll be very careful.
Well, what is it? Is it bad news?
No, it's not bad news at all. It's actually very nice news.
What is it?
It is an invitation.
An invitation? To what?
It's an invitation to the annual conference for graphic designers. It's in Berlin in November.
Oh, wow! That is the big conference that you really wanted to go to last year.
It is, but last year I didn't get an invitation. I think it is because I am more senior in my job now.
This is fantastic news, Thomas. It is a real honor to be invited to something like that.
It is. I am so happy. It is a great opportunity to learn new things and to meet other designers.
You see, you were worried it was a speeding ticket, but it was actually a wonderful surprise.
That was a very pleasant surprise. So, what is the last piece of mail?
It is another letter. It's a very colorful envelope, and it is addressed to me.
Let me see. Oh, the handwriting on this one is very familiar and a little bit shaky.
I know that handwriting very well. I think this is the letter I have been hoping for.
Is it from your grandmother?
It is. I recognize the beautiful flower stamp she always uses.
And what is this letter? Why were you expecting it?
My birthday is next week.
Oh, of course. You are turning 25 next Friday. I have not forgotten.
And my grandmother, my Oma, she lives in a small village in the countryside. She is very traditional.
So she doesn't send you a birthday message on WhatsApp?
No, she doesn't own a computer or a smartphone. Every single year for my birthday, she sends me a real physical birthday card in the post.
That is the sweetest thing I have ever heard.
She has done it every year since I was a little girl, and I always look forward to it so much. It is our special tradition.
Can you open it? I want to see what card she chose for you this year.
Of course. I will open it carefully. Oh, it is beautiful. Look.
It's a picture of a beautiful field of sunflowers. It's so bright and cheerful.
And inside, she has written a lovely, long message. And look, she has even put some money inside, a 20-euro note.
She is so sweet. She still treats you like her little granddaughter.
She does. Reading her message feels like getting a warm hug from her. This is, without a doubt, the best piece of mail we have received today.
Receiving a handwritten card is such a special feeling, isn't it?
It really is. It shows that someone has taken the time to really think about you.
Yes, they had to go to a shop and choose the perfect card. Then they had to sit down and write a message with a real pen.
And then they had to buy a stamp and post it. It is so much more effort than just typing "Happy Birthday" on a screen.
It's a real act of love. I still have a box with all the birthday cards I have ever received from my parents.
I do too. I keep them all in a special shoebox. Sometimes, if I am having a bad day, I will take them out and read them.
And it makes you feel better.
It always makes me feel better. It is a box full of love and happy memories.
We should both make an effort to send more real cards in letters to people.
I agree. I think people would really appreciate it.
So, is that everything from the mailbox? Is the treasure chest now empty?
Let me just check inside one more time. No, wait. There is one more small piece of paper at the very back.
What is it? It's not another bill, I hope.
No, it's a little yellow slip of paper. It has our names and address on it.
Ah, I know what that is. That is a notification slip.
A notification slip from the post office. What does it mean?
So, what does this little yellow slip mean?
It means that we have a package.
A package. How exciting! What is it? Did you order something?
I did not. Did you?
I did, actually. I ordered a new book online last week. I had completely forgotten about it.
So, your new book has arrived. But why did they leave this piece of paper? Why not just leave the package?
Because the package was probably too big to fit in our small mailbox.
Oh, of course. Our mailbox is only for letters.
Exactly. So when the delivery person has a parcel that is too big and you are not at home to receive it, they leave one of these slips.
And what does it tell us?
It tells us that they have tried to deliver a package and that it is now waiting for us at the local post office.
So we have to go to the post office to collect it.
Yes, look, it says here, your package is available for collection from tomorrow at the post office on Schillerstrasse.
And it says we need to bring this notification slip with us.
And we also need to bring a form of photo identification, like a passport or a driver's license.
To prove that we are the right person. That makes sense.
So, we have a little errand to run tomorrow, a trip to the post office.
That's a very exciting errand. It's like picking up a present.
Well, that was a very eventful trip to the mailbox.
It really was. We started with a big pile of paper and we have sorted it all out.
Let's review our different piles. This first pile is the junk mail, which is going straight into the recycling bin.
Goodbye, pizza vouchers.
This second pile is the important pile. Our bills, which we will pay tonight, and the notification slip for my package, which we will collect tomorrow.
A very responsible pile of adult tasks.
And this third pile is the happy pile.
The best pile of all.
It has your beautiful gardening magazine, the lovely postcard from our friend Martin in Rome, my exciting invitation to the conference in Berlin,
And my beautiful, heartwarming birthday card from my grandmother.
It's amazing, isn't it, how a simple daily task like checking the mail can bring so many different emotions.
It is. A little bit of responsibility and a lot of happiness. I think this was a very successful mail check.
I agree. Now, I am going to take my happy pile upstairs to the apartment.
And what are you going to do?
I am going to make a cup of tea, I'm going to put the postcard on the fridge, and I'm going to sit down and read my new magazine from cover to cover.
That sounds like a perfect, relaxing Saturday afternoon.
It does. Thank you for being my mail sorting partner.
Anytime.
Let's go upstairs.